Welcome to 80 marks. Today we will solve one very important question from Standard 10th Maths Gujarat Board. The question is from surface area and volumes, important for both standard and basic maths. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of solid cylinder as shown in figure. If the height of cylinder is 10 centimeter, here the height is given, height of cylinder 10 centimeter, and rate its base radius 3.5 centimeter. Here radius is 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of article. Here whatever given data, here radius 3.5 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. We need to find the total surface area of article. The question was asked two times, March 2023, June 2024. Total surface area, TSA of article. Article is made up of two things, one cylinder and two hemispheres. As we know that if an object is surmounted on another object or cut out, means scooping out from the another object, volume increase or decrease depends on the condition. If an object is surmounted by another object, volume increases. If an object is cut down or scooping out, volume decreases. But in case of surface area, if you surmount object on another or scooping out, in both the cases surface area is always increases. So here don't mistake about subtracting the surface area of hemisphere. Here CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. As we know that formula for CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Common 2 pi and r, h plus 2r. Now put the value. 2 as it is, pi 22 by 7, radius 3.5 means 35 by 10. Height 10 plus 2 times 3.5. Simplification, 7 ones are 7 fives are 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Only 22 is there and 10 plus 7. 22 into 17, 374 centimeter square. So the total surface area of article is 374 centimeter square.